Hey everybody, it's been a few days. I last left off in Barbosa, town known for candy. The air is actually sweet with the smell from the factories. From Barbosa, on the map, I saw that I was going to be going through very, very small towns with very few options. In fact, on Google, I only saw one hotel option in each town and a lot more climbing. I had already done a lot of climbing and there was going to be a lot more. The distance wasn't going to be quite as far, but for me, climbing is really where I struggle. I'm just so slow. You know, I ride at like 2.5, 3 miles an hour, and I really need to be concerned about how much climbing there is because, you know, sometimes there's just not enough time in the day for me to do more than, say, 2,500, 3,000 feet of climbing. And so for the next couple of days, there was just sweeping switchbacks. It was absolutely gorgeous. And the towns that I went to were very, very small. The first hotel, actually both hotels that I went to, they had on-demand hot water heaters, but they did not work. It was my first time not having hot water showers. As I've gone from Bogota every day, even though there's been a lot of climbing, I've actually been descending, and as I descend, it's been getting warmer and warmer, and it's actually getting pretty hot. And everybody says, you know, it's so warm, you don't need a hot water shower. You know what? Even though it's hot out, I really like a hot water shower, and I think this is something I'm just going to have to get used to. It's something I've read about in all the journals, that hot water showers are just hard to come by in Colombia. But the riding has been absolutely gorgeous. The scenery's just fantastic. I've met a lot of people. I got to San Gil after riding for 3 days, and I noticed that I was very, very tired. And I can tell this when I start to lose patience. People were trying to sell me things, you know, while I was riding coming into town, and I just had absolutely no patience for it. And I thought, you know what, this is a sign I need to take a rest. And so I've been here for a few days, exploring the town and the area, and I'm starting to feel much better. Feel like I can get back into my routine. And I've put together some clips of the 3-day ride from Barbosa to San Gil. I hope you enjoy it, and as always, thanks for watching. Come on, Myrtle, let's go.
Adiós, adiós, adiós. Tus ojos me miran a través del tiempo. Vuelvo a recordar el viejo perfume que traías puesto. Adiós, adiós, adiós. Te ofrendo mi canto que arrulla tu cuerpo. No tendré que llorar. Hoy saldré a celebrar en tu día de muerto. Preparo tu altar. Cempasúchil florecerá. Un jardín de colores y olores se vestirá. Cempasúchil mío serás. Y el otoño en noviembre por siempre nos reunirá. Adiós, adiós, adiós. Dulce cala.